Hey everybody, this is the 2021 Jeep Gladiator. This is just kind of a introductory video to what I've been working on here. I was having the ticking noise. I'm sure you've heard about it if you're a Jeep owner. If not, hopefully you haven't heard it yourself. So I've been breaking the motor apart and filming as I go, so I can release a how-to video basically on how to do it. Did I preface with I'm not a mechanic, but I am learning as I go. I have friends that have been helping me out, so I haven't been going completely blind. The thing with the Gladiator motor is it's a 3.6 VVT, which means that if you watch all the 3.6 videos online, that it's not the same. So this has a variable valve timing, and it also has a variable valve lifting system, VVL and VVT, in this motor. I'm going to make a list of parts below that you need to accomplish this. I think if I know what I know now, or if you follow this video, that you could probably get this done in a weekend. It's been going on for me for about 2 weeks because I've only had sporadic time to work on it. I'm trying to get it finished up now, but you can see here, this is the intake, the right side intake camshaft, and you can see that it's been completely grooved out there. So the rocker tick, I had originally thought it was coming from the driver's side, but I was going to take both sides off to look at it, so I started on the passenger side, and this is what I found so far. So I don't know what the driver's side's going to look like, but I will get to that eventually. So this is the culprit. This is one of the variable valve rockers that allows it to raise up and go down in order to give it a little bit more horsepower. One of my friends compared it to a VTEC motor, essentially, is what these are. It uses oil pressure as a hydraulic system to kind of control where the positioning of these, depending on what range of RPM you are. Or, yeah, let's just say that. Like I said, I'm not a mechanic. You can correct me below if you want. Somebody else knows, I'm sure. I don't know specifically. So I am working on a video. I filmed every part of getting to this point, and I'm going to film every part of going to the other side and then reassembly. So if you're interested, then just give me a follow or like, or just stay tuned, because I expect to have this done probably in the next week or so, and then I'll edit the video and put it out there. So again, you know, it's a Gladiator, it's a different motor, or the newer Jeeps have a different motor that's a VVT, VVL motor, and there are no videos that I could find on this. So I'm hoping that this will help somebody, or, you know, if somebody else has a video out there that could help me, you can put it in the comments below. But again, thanks. Yeah, let's hopefully get this done quickly. Thanks. Bye.